So we're in my backyard, and the first thing I noticed when I actually went back here was the fact that it's very loud. Yeah, I apologize for that. But anyways, about that, we're just gonna clean these fans. I'm probably gonna fast forward this in editing, so it doesn't take forever. You don't have to watch me clean fans for 20 years. Oh my god. I don't know how they didn't notice. I'm surprised the 360 doesn't have the red ring of death. It's really hard to get dust out of these fans over the years, you know. Oh, pouring on my pants. I don't know if I could do it 100% though. I had to buy those can of air. Can of air they sell at the store, the department store. Oh my god, it's disgusting. Oh, okay, so it's kind of getting better. Sort of getting, somewhat. Oh, dust is falling on me, man. You know what? Next Xbox I restore, I'm gonna use compressed air. This is the slowest method to do if you want to clean your fans in your in your Xbox. And dust is blowing away. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do that later, more in depth, but that's somewhat better. But we're gonna go back inside, and yeah, just gonna go back inside. Okay, so put this down. All right, so these fans, the best way they were in before, but you know, somewhat better. Put those aside. There's the faceplate. It's pretty clean. Washed it earlier. That's that. Now, I don't even know what to do at this point. To be honest, Guess we can start working on the actual, what do you call it? These ports. I might start putting everything back together. But this doesn't really need to be cleaned. It's kind of clean already. So, yeah. If you guys don't know what this is actually where the power button goes, which is... Where's my power button? Where's my power button? What? Where's my power button? What? Where's my power button? I just had it. Okay.